Ever feel like crafting an essay is as complex as Willy Wonka's chocolate factory? Well, grab your golden ticket and let's unwrap the sweet layers of an essay, including that oh so important thesis statement. Essays have 3 scrumptious parts, just like a 3-layer cake, but we're going to use candy language. The introduction. This is where you grab your reader's attention like a shiny wrapper on a candy bar. The body, and here you dive into the delicious details, explaining your main points like different flavors in a chocolate box. And then we have the conclusion, where you wrap it all up like a perfect present with a beautiful bow. First stop, the introduction. Imagine it's like seeing the entrance to the Willy Wonka factory. You want to get a sneak peek at the fun ahead. Here's what you need. Hook. Start with something exciting like a question or a cool fact to grab attention. Brief overview. Give a little insight into what your essay is about without giving everything away. And then the thesis statement. Your main point, the guiding star of your essay. And not just the guiding star. The thesis statement is like the secret recipe in Willy Wonka's factory. It tells your readers exactly what you're going to talk about. How about an example from the whimsical world of Willy Wonka? Here's a sweet thesis statement. Willy Wonka's chocolate factory illustrates the magical blend of imagination and innovation, symbolizing a world where dreams become reality. See? It's specific, clear, and gives readers a taste of what's to come. Ready for the filling? In the body, you'll back up that awesome thesis statement with juicy details and evidence. Think of each paragraph as a different flavor, all working together to create an irresistible treat. Finally, let's wrap up our essay like a Wonka bar. Your conclusion is where you tie everything together. Remind readers of your main points and leave them with something sweet to think about. And there you have it. You've just built an essay that's as magical and exciting as Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. If you had a blast learning about the parts of an essay, smash that like button and subscribe for more writing fun. Got any essay topics or writing questions? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, keep writing and stay sweet.